Hi everyone, welcome back. Today we're going to be taking a look at how we can make a square knot. So here we have 6 strands of macrame cord and we've just attached them to a ring using a lark's head knot. We're going to separate off our strands, so we have 2 strands to the side and that's going to leave us 4 strands in the centre. To start our square knot, we're going to take the cord that is on the left and we're going to place it over all the 4 strands in the centre. Then taking the cord from the right, we're going to cross that over the cord that has come from the left and we're going to lift up the strands and we're going to tuck it underneath and we are going to pull it out on the left hand side. So as we can see now, it is making a knot and all 4 of the strands of cord are still in the centre. Then we are going to tie that now, so that it is tied up at the top. Then to complete the square knot, we're going to do it from the other side. So we're going to take the cord from the right, place it over the strands, take the cord from the left, cross it over the cord that's come from the right, tuck it under the 4 strands and through the loop and back up through the other side. And we can see there that the strands are still in the centre and it's just making a knot around them. Then we're going to pull that tight and that has completed our square knot. And then now you will do that again from the left, taking the cord from the left, place over the cord from the right and tuck it under, pulling it tight, keeping all the 4 strands in the centre. And to complete the knot again, we're going to take the cord from the right, cross it over, take the cord from the left, pop that one underneath the 4 strands and push it through the loop, making sure again all 4 strands are in the centre. And that is how we can tie a square knot. Hope you found this tutorial helpful. Thank you for watching. See you again soon.